Attorney Paul, if we need a graphologist to identify a certain handwriting, need pa po ba ng court order kung for private purposes lang po? I mean, may kailangan lang po kami na mahanap ang may-ari ng handwriting na yun para malaman po namin ang may gawa ng sulat. This is from Miss G.
Kung hindi naman po ninyo gagamitin yan as evidence in court, no? Kung walang pending or kaso na paggagamitan yan, yung handwriting expert, hindi po kailangan ng court order. Hindi po kailangan ng court order. You can do that even without a court order. Yun lang po. Very quick answer to your question.